Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to another Prokon Know-How episode presented by myself, Jacobus Oberholster. I'm an AEC and Prokon technical consultant with Micrographics, and I will be taking you through today's clip. So today's clip revolves around manipulating your mesh or modifying your mesh within SUMO. As you would be aware, well, I trust you're aware by now that if you model any sort of shells or planes or slabs, that they are meshed before they are analyzed and then they are analyzed using FEA. So I've already meshed this nice circular slab. So if I go to my discretized model view, I'll see that this is actually quite an ugly mesh. Okay, so I have a few options available to myself. Well, one of them is I can simply select the slab, change the mesh size. I'm going to change it to 0.5. And then what I also want to do is I'm going to navigate to the level that the slab is on. I'm going to click on the slab, click modify, and there under options, I'm going to click on constraint and just switch continue off just because it's going to be a bit easier. And I'm going to draw in a few lines. Now these constraint lines, what they do is they force SUMO to mesh along these lines, and they can actually result in quite a neat mesh. I'm going to accept that, go back, because now I've basically forced SUMO at the very least to put a mesh node right in the middle of the slab. So I'm going to go to modify, select mesh all, and then you can see there's already quite an improvement, especially there in the middle. It's actually quite a neat mesh, and it really helps with those constraint lines. So we can actually add a few more. Go to the level, click modify, constraint, and my line. Keep it there for now. I'll extend all of them shortly. Oh well. It happens from time to time. Something doesn't work as planned, but nonetheless, it's quite easy to solve. Click accept, go to main, go to modify, mesh all, and already you can see that there is systematically an improvement in the quality of the mesh. So you can make use of those constraint lines. Let's change the mesh size one more time, 0.25, modify, and we can actually see the effect that those mesh lines have. So I'll change it one more time to 0.1. Okay, and you can actually see, where those mesh lines are running. And so just in summary, one of the ways to modify, manipulate your mesh in SUMO is to select the object, change the mesh size, or to modify it and to make use of constraint lines. So really, I hope that that helps you. Please shout out if you want me to demonstrate anything else by throwing just a comment down below. Otherwise, hope to see you in some of our training. And if you need any assistance with anything Prokon related, preach preach it. Please reach out to me, and I'll be more than happy to help you. And hope that you have a lovely day further, and hope to see you around.